Reckon's so flexible. It's like having an accountant in your pocket. Recently, I've spent some good time away on holidays. I was able to do all the bookkeeping down there, all my pay runs, all my banking and all my invoices seamlessly. My name's Rohan Sanderson. My business is called Operational Advancement Solutions, and we're a consultancy group that looks and helps companies that use glass packaging improve their operation performance. We've created this business from our home, running a business from a kitchen table. It's so important to have a really professional image. So we use Reckon for our invoicing, for our pay runs, our BAS statements, and also our proposals to customers and quotations. So not having to use a bookkeeper, but using Reckon, which is such a simple interface, has provided me a lot more time to actually work on business critical projects, to drive new customers, to drive new projects, but then also given me the opportunity to spend a lot of excellent quality time with my family. Our growth projections are next 2 to 3 years at $3 million revenue, and by the end of year 10, we want to be a $30 million business. Reckon has the capability to grow with us as we require more additional features. 3 pieces of advice I'd give to anyone starting out their own business. Make sure you're passionate about your work. Focus on the critical business elements that are going to grow your business. And the final one is have support. People like Reckon and organisations like Reckon support me in my growth and development.